This video will demonstrate how to install the upgrade kit on all Supercell dust collectors manufactured before July 2022. The upgrade kit includes these parts and will preserve the life of your Supercell by protecting the motors from dust buildup and overheating. To start, turn off and unplug the Supercell, then wait for the fan blowers to come to a complete stop. Remove the foam filter and nylock nut from the top of the cowling using a 1/2 inch socket wrench. Set aside these parts for later. Remove the cowling and set aside. When you remove the cowling, if you find wood dust in the motor section, clean it out before completing the upgrade. The upgrade will prevent additional dust from accumulating in the motor section going forward. Remove and dispose of both the foam plenum plate and the clear polycarbonate disc, as these parts are no longer required. Detach the vinyl tubing from the barb fitting opposite the pulse bar and from the nylon elbow on the lower section of the drum. Attach the shorter end of the new vinyl tubing onto the barb fitting located on the side opposite the pulse bar. Push the new vinyl tubing onto the fitting so that all barbs are covered. If you are not using the automatic bag holding feature of the system, the switch valve of the tube assembly must be in the closed position. Otherwise, leave the tube assembly in the open position. Install the steel plenum plate and nylon spacer, then reinstall the molded cowling and secure it with a nylock nut. Clean the filter foam using a handheld compressed air nozzle. This filter supplies cooling air to the motors and must be kept clean and obstruction-free. Then install the filter foam on top of the molded cowling. For systems with a steel drum, install the reducer and filter onto the quick disconnect kit from inside the drum. For systems with a plastic drum, first remove the nylon nut and then install the reducer and filter onto the quick disconnect kit from inside the drum. Attach the long end of the tube assembly onto the nylon elbow previously installed on the lower section of the drum. Push the vinyl tubing onto the fitting so that all barbs are covered. After removing the backing paper from the clean inlet filter label, apply it to the cowling as shown. Then apply the new clean filter label over the existing clean filter label on the barrel. Using the provided zip tie, secure the Pulse Clean filter hang tag to the pulse bar. Place the drum liner warning label on the inside of your drum. This completes your Supercell upgrade. Adding these modifications will help improve and extend the operation of your Supercell. If you have any questions, please contact our customer service team at 866-387-8822. Thank you for being an Oneida Air Systems customer and for supporting American manufacturing.